In today's video, I want to share with you a trade breakdown that I took last week. This video will help you to understand the opening price strategy better if you are struggling with it. Okay, so from what we can see here, we have this particular week. Okay, this was around February, the first week of February. Price ended and closed after going low down to this point. It reversed and then closed here. Now, what caused that push up is this man here. This opening price, reversal opening price. Price was unable to close below. Okay, and that probably was reason, and that was the reason why the bearish move became over. Okay, so I want to show you how I caught a trade in this particular week and why my bias was still bearish. My bias was bearish because the market is still bearish, starting from this top here, starting here. Okay, so there are things that you need to do before you start taking trade. The first one is to know your directional bias. Okay, directional. And with the opening price strategy, we have a way to know the directional bias of the market. And then your directional bias, you should be able to know if it is swing, if it is a swing trade, if it is swing, if it is an intraday, or is for scalping. This is very important because, for example, if you perceive a directional bias to be a swing trade, okay, and that means you want to be holding the trade for as long as you can till the target is met. But if you don't do the analysis well, that swing directional bias that you thought is a swing trade might just be for an intraday, and the price move in your favor. Okay, for a while price may move in your favor, and all of a sudden what happened? It reverses on you. Okay, these are things you need to start avoiding in this year if you want to be profitable. Understand your directional bias, and then know if this bias is just for a swing, if the bias is just for an intraday, and know if that bias is for scalping. By the time you do this very well, you will improve your winning rate. Okay, so now let's go back. To get a profitable trade, okay, you need to know your directional bias. And for this bias, my bias was intraday until it gets to this level here. Okay, until it gets to this level here, because I want to see if price will close below. So I held it more like a potential swing, but it was an intraday. And I'm going to tell you why I also took out the remaining profit. How do I know that the market will push higher? Okay, so the intention was to sell from here, okay, and hold it to this point. All right, and secondly, as this market was coming down, I was paying close attention to this level here. This is a strong level. Okay, all these are what I will show to you in this video, so stick by. If you like my content, make sure you show support by liking, sharing this video, and then giving me a comment if you want to see more of this kind of videos. So the first thing is to know your directional bias. The second thing is to know your setup. Okay, your setup. Now my setup are simply around the opening price. Opening price strategy. Okay, I use the opening price as a form of support and resistance. Okay, so I only take trades when price gets to my opening price. Okay, I take trades when price get to the opening price. So we are going to look at it critically now. So now this is the area where I intend to sell, and I'm going to add screenshots. Okay, these are screenshots I shared with my members VIP, and I think I shared it also with the Telegram. If not, I'm going to post it immediately I'm done with this video. So now I'm going to use the replay feature here. All right. Because this is the week we want to trade now. All right. So this market ended this way. I know some people will like, oh, the market is bullish. This rejection has not changed the direction yet. Okay. Those in the VIP, they understand. So I'm not going to talk more on this. I want to talk about the trade we took here. So from this is the weekly opening price level. Okay. You can see market opened there, traded all the way down, came back up. Okay, and now if you are trading smart money, you might think, oh, this is a liquidity sweep and price will continue going higher as at when this week wants to start. Okay, you don't need to get yourself confused. Focus on one strategy and improve yourself on that. So from here now, I'll simply go to the daily time frame. Now look at the daily time frame. What happened? That line is the same line with the weekly opening price. So this is a strong level, and with this strong level here, there's confluence, and I know that, okay, since there's a confluence here, there'll be much confidence in looking forward bearish trade from here. So what happened is market trade, okay, and created this fresh opening price. Okay, so from this fresh opening price, I simply want market to come back in there and then take your trade. As you can see, after this particular day, Monday was created, we have a fresh opening price here, and this is where I want to start looking for trades. So from there, for me personally, I don't like entering market from the daily time frame. Okay, what I do is I refine the entry. So when you go to your 4 hour now, in the 4 hour time frame, you can see I have a level just above this level here. So this is where I took my entry. This is where I took my entry. So what you can do is, for a short trade, here, I simply did something like this. Stop loss, and then where are we targeting? Remember, you go to your weekly level. We're looking for a way to target that particular lows here. Don't know what you target this level here. Okay, so let's go back here to the 4 hour trade. Now on the 4 hour, you can see we have a case of 8 hour trades. All right, so let's see what happened. So you simply watch, and then you can see what happened. Price came up and tapped into that level and rejected. Okay, price rejected, and I was still holding that trade though. I remember this candle, I was holding up to the 12 out mark, and you can see the screenshot right here. This is the screenshot here. So if this kind of content is valuable, you can use this. Go back and watch this video over and over again, and then compare it with your chart. How was I able to take such an entry in here, and why was I able to hold till this level? All right, then before price starts reversing, and then we have a new bias, which we also took the bullish trades, and then finally the direction on Euro USD temporarily is bullish as at when I recorded this video. So I'm going to do more of the trade breakdown with other currency pair, USD CAD, with US 100 and the rest. If these are things that you would like to know or would like me to share on this channel, kindly put it in the comment section. Until then, we'll see in another video breakdown.